We are manufacturer of cable system products. Now let me introduce our finished products warehouse. Those are the finished products, OEM to overseas customers. We use Owire FC fiber optic cables. Okay, this is our production workshop. This was already SGX, CE laws, FC, 3C, CPR, UL certifications, and especially our network copper network cables. We use Milex package, which is very expensive for the device. FC, Huawei, China Mobile, China Telecom, and this is a telecommunication in Philippines. Globally, they use our fiber optic cables too. In Lenovo, etc. Like the CE, SGX, certifications, etc. This is our showroom for our fiber optic cables. We can customize different functions, different models according to your requirements. This is indoor or outdoor fiber optic cables. And this is our Gold Plus supplier assessment certifications certified by Alibaba. We have 16 years factories in Alibaba. Hello, friend. Welcome to visit our factory.